Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your system supports the app and then open it. First, verify Windows 10 is recent enough. This ensures compatibility. Once done, install Windows Terminal from the store if it's missing. That gives tabs, profiles, and better rendering. Next, open the app from Start or use Win+X to pick PowerShell or Command Prompt. This gets you into a modern shell quickly, so you can run commands, manage profiles, and avoid the old console limitations. Now configure which shell you want by default and why that matters. PowerShell gives object output while WSL runs Linux tools. Open Settings and pick a default profile, then create or edit profiles for quick access. Use tabs to run multiple shells. Press Ctrl+Shift+T for a new tab and Ctrl+Tab to switch. Run simple commands like dir or cd to navigate, ipconfig to check networking, and get help in PowerShell to learn cmdlet. Finish by tailoring the terminal to your needs and handling common issues. Customize colors, fonts, and key bindings in settings so prompts are readable and commands are clear. When you need elevated rights, run the terminal as administrator to install software or edit protected files. Make sure you understand the risks. If problems appear, reset terminal settings, update the app, or run system checks like sfc/scano to repair corrupted files. If a profile fails, recreate it. This usually resolves broken launch behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.